We are gathered now not simply to become witnesses, but dearly Kevin and April Rose, you are now stepping on a new ground of your relationship. Not just new ground, but on a holy ground. They say marriage is like a garden, but if you don't tend or nurture it, of course, weeds will grow.
Amen. I found you, you found me. Oh darling,
Pinapangako ko na tuloy-tuloy na ang pagbabago ko para sa iyo at sa ating pamilya. Lalo na't kasama na natin ang may kapal sa ngayon.
amen. You're my
And the nutrients of the water will truly seep in the ground for it to bloom in its proper time, in the proper season.
amen.
Langga, the day we've been waiting for is finally here. After 20 years together, our dream to be united as one with God has come true. From being my first everything, now you're my last. My one and only boyfriend is now my husband.
I promise na tuloy-tuloy ang masasayang pagmamahalan nating dalawa at hindi ako susuko sa mga pagsubok na darating at sasamahan ka sa kahirapan.
You're all I need. I hope that you know. Amen. I found you, you found me. Oh darling, I've been praying for someone like you. Yeah.
Dear Lee, Kevin, and April Rose, always remember that marriage, to prosper and to grow, is a daily decision. Obsolete it may sound, but that's precisely the invitation of love.
Oh darling, I've stopped praying for someone.
Biskan ano pa kabudlay, kung gusto nyo nga duwa, maging okay ang relationship nyo, makayagi. Ang nagpa-compose ko sang song nga original sa best friend ko si Arlene kag siya man ang nagkanta. Kay gusto ko maghatag sang gift nga forever gid siya bala nga mat-remember niya kag mabatian niya kung ano ang sulod sang heart ko. Damo challenge nga na agyan man nagtest sa relationship namon, especially nag-LDR kami for almost 9 years. Ang abi namon din ang makaya, pero thank God man nga na-sustain naman ang relationship biskan layo siya.
Ngayon ang sandaling hinintay ng puso, dinggin.
A lot of people often ask me what is the secret to our long-lasting relationship. I simply answer them, I love you not only at your best, but especially at your worst. There's no exact formula. Because every day you spend together, you're discovering new things.
Sa'yo ako payapa, ikaw ang aking pahinga. Sapat ka, ikaw lang talaga. At heto ka, iharap sa madla. Saksi ang tadhana sa bawat pahinga. Sa aking hakbang, sa pangakong wagas, ikaw aking mahal. Simula at wakas. Kulang ng habang buhay sa pagmamahal.
I'm very thankful na despite of my flaws, ay tinanggap mo pa rin ako at nanatili sa tabi ko. Sorry sa mga nagawa kong kasalanan dati. na nagpayanig ng relasyon natin. Salamat sa binigay mong pagmamahal at suporta pang araw-araw.
At eto ka, ihaharap sa madla, saksi ang tahana, sa mula at wakas.
Sa bawat titik ng kantang to, ika'y akin at ako'y sayo. Ikaw ang kahinaan at lakas. Ikaw mahal ang simula at wakas.
Lagi mong tandaan na nandito ako, handang protektahan, suportahan at mahalin ka habang buhay.
I love you, Langga, and thank you. And together, let's make this marriage fruitful, filled with love, laughter, and everything we've ever prayed for.
Mahal na mahal kita. I love you, April Rose Sigits. Happy 20th anniversary. And I promise, I will never leave.
You may kiss your wife.